I can't fall in love with anyone until I fall out of love with you. And every book I have ever read, or film I have ever seen, or elder I have spoken to about love tells me how will I know when it happens, how it will happen to every single part of me. But nobody ever told me how to fall out of it. Is falling out of love like falling off a bicycle in one moment all of a sudden? Or would I have to jump off an airplane, skydrive my way to the ground to fall out of love? Falling out of your first ever love feels like the hardest thing to do when you are at it. Unloving someone you loved so much is like reading a book in a language you don't understand. It is like gift wrapping your heart in a package that you know they will never open. You will never have enough courage to ask them back for what you gifted. You cannot expect return gifts on your own birthday. But what you can do? You can gift wrap less significant parts of you to the next person you think you love. The next person you think you love might never be able to make you feel the same. You might soon realize you are not in love. You are not in love again. But they are. So, from the heartbroken, you have become the heartbreaker. So you say, sorry. But sorry cannot fix the pain. You know this from experience. So you wish nobody has to experience all of this hurt that you have been through. This cycle of heartbreaks that we ride all our lives does not stop. We wish to pull the brakes when we have chance, but we can't. You will never be able to unlove someone you loved so much. You tell yourself. You record video messages in black and white on their birthday. Even years after they have left you, with heartbreak songs playing in the background to tell them the same thing. But they never watched that video, because that's what love is a lot like. It can be put in metaphors that can make complete sense. It can be fit in between your favorite heartbreak songs. It can be made into a poem that practically writes itself. But it can never make enough sense.